The next important function, and I will talk about several functions in the numbers, right? One that we talk about is what we call it absolute value. Suppose you want to find the absolute value of a number, and I enter 10, and I want you to return 10. If I enter -10, I still want you to return my 10. And in the math, you use like this. Right? In math, you use this. Say y equal to like this. In math, you do it. Here, what we do, we use a function called abs. Abs stand for absolute. So we'll say y equal to abs, and then you say -10. Remember, this value has to be an integer. You can't say single quote -10. If you want, if you do this, it will run into error, because abs function expects one value, and that value has to be an integer or float. So you not only have to respect the number of parameters in the function, you also need to respect the data type of the function, both. And we already talked about it. Just a quick repeat. So when you say y equal to abs -10, and if you say print y, this will give you, if I run this code, this will give you number 10. If I just pass 10 and run and say run, it will give you 10, absolute value of the number. Similarly, let me comment this. Similarly, there are other functions. For example, what happens if I say, x equal to let's say -10, 15.6, and then say print abs x. As you notice, I intentionally again doing the chaining here, right? So abs inner function will run first. The output of this function will go into the print function, correct? So in this case, if you run it, you say you get 15.6. The negative sign is removed.